All right, so let me jump on this project with you so that we can unblock you because you know, I want to learn a little bit more about you, and I'm glad that you share that. But yeah, I want to unblock you as well so that you can literally finish that project. It sounds awesome.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And just to finish, maybe, and really, I want to be respectful of your time. So maybe you will send me a quote or an estimate, but to be able to manage the voice agent, I will be able to do it. But in my project, what I want to do is maybe a part when the students they will have to access the agent, they will have to be able the agent and they can train themselves with the OpenAI agent.
Okay, super. You get me excited. So go ahead and share your screen. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do so that you can get past this part.
I did what you asked me to do yesterday. So now, as you can see, when I type in type in, so I use the
This is awesome because it looks like you have most of it set up. So it's gonna be super easy for me to actually get you to the next part.
see. I was watching your video, as you can see. I
Yeah.
was watching your video. It's your face. I don't know. Maybe it's an AI person you use. I don't know. But I was watching your video, as you can see.
So it's the one that says agents, not sandbox. So click on AI agents. It's right at the top there. Let's start with speech-to-speech agent. Let's see if it takes us there. This is actually the correct one. Perfect. And click on Node.js. The copy button. Okay, now head there. That's the one we need. Copy that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, and paste it in there. Perfect. Press enter. Wonderful. So now we could just name the project whatever you want to name it at this point.
Okay, but usually when we do this, I don't see this folder anymore.
Just say Rocket Backend so we can make sure we can find it this time. Put Rocket Backend. Okay, press enter. Okay, now paste your OpenAI. You can press enter. Perfect. Okay, you see your folder right there? It's there now. It's right there. It's that one. So let's CD in there. Let's CD in there because we're about to wrap this up and you're going to take this home, man. Go ahead and CD into that folder. Yeah, CD into Rocket Band. Yeah, so if you go back to terminal and then CD in, yeah, CD into that folder. Yep. Space. Go all the way back because that one's weird. I don't know what that's doing. Go all the way back and then just literally type CD and then just literally type in Rocket band. Or if you type in R and then tab, the tab button, it should pop up. So if you type in R, yeah, or capital R because you put a capital R. All right, and then press tab. We're gonna go ahead and do npm install. Normally, they're gonna tell you to do pnpm install. They're gonna mess you up. Do npm install. Space install. Perfect. I'm glad that you installed Node.js because otherwise this wouldn't even work. Now that you have Node.js, you're in great shape.
I have to admit, it's been 2 weeks. I tried to get in the room with the.
Yeah, no, don't worry. This is the day.
All the things I'm asking you because I'm.
Yeah, I'm so glad that you were at least willing to ask because it's the ones who don't ask that end up struggling the longest. If someone can unblock you, there's no problem. Copy that. Paste it in there. Yep. And then press enter. To the front end. Let's go to the front end. Run dev.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, so one thing I would say is, do you have OpenAI credits? Because if you don't have any OpenAI credits, it's not going to work. Do you have OpenAI credits? Okay.
I did it. No, it's automate. It's recharge automatically. So.
Okay. So drum roll, please. Let's go ahead and click on that link and let's see if we got what we expect.
Please,
yeah, let's see what's going on. I think we're in good shape though. All right, so click the start conversation button. Yeah, generate API key. Okay, great. Copy that right now. Copy that because you're never going to see it again. Head over to our project and paste it into the backend. You see, yeah, just replace that string. Just replace that string up there. You see that string that says OpenAI? Yeah, just replace it completely. Excellent. Now go ahead and stop the program and rerun it. Stop the program and then rerun it. Okay, reopen it. And then run those commands again. If you press the up button, yeah, and then press enter. CD into the right folder. You're not in the right folder. So CD into Rocket backend. Just CD into Rocket. Yeah. Trust me, it's all these things that try to slow us down. I know. That one. Yes. Press enter. Continue. Okay, so you don't have any money on there. Purchase put $5 on there. Put $5 in there. Okay, this time it is. Oh yeah, it looks like there's one last thing. All right, so let's go back to the terminal and see if we got. You might not have autosave. Okay, I know the problem. Go to file. Go to file. Go to file. Yeah, you didn't have autosave. Click on autosave. You're gonna laugh. Yeah, go to autosave. It's all the way. Scroll down, all the way. Scroll. Right there. Bang. Save it. Click it. Stop the program, rerun it. I think we're good now. We gotta do those commands again. Let me see if you remember. You go ahead and do it. Yeah, perfect. Excellent. This is fun. Go back to Google Chrome. Okay, refresh. Start.
How can I assist you?
Yes! Let's go, man. We did it. Ah, sweet. That's it. It was the autosave. And that kills a lot of people on projects, so don't even worry. Stop it so that you don't lose all your credits. I'm going to literally let you go enjoy your project after this. Like, literally, you have done it. So, amazing job. And, yeah, like, literally play around with it.
That's crazy. What did we change? So there was autosave.
There was autosave. There was the API key. There was running the front end and the back end because you didn't install the back end. Remember, we had to pull the back end. Right now, you're running this locally. You're not even using their cloud sandbox. You're literally running this locally on your computer, which is even cooler. But right now, you have everything on your computer. So now if you want to customize your platform or whatever, you have it. It's literally yours. I am putting up a video to explain all these files and folders so that you can go into depth. But I want you to literally right now, because I've been throwing a lot of information at you, just play around with it. You know, we're going to hop back on the call, but you literally have done it at this point. So I'm really happy.
Yeah. It's just so it was autosave. It was the backend and the API key. What else did we do? Yeah, because I would like.
Your problem was particularly setting up that backend, and it was also getting the API tokens. It was making sure that you saved the changes, because anytime we saved the API key, it actually didn't change the API key because it never saved. So that was like another headache at the end, which happens to a lot of developers. But essentially, everything else, after you watch that video, I think that I posted yesterday, you were actually on the right track. You probably would have figured it out sooner or later. I think this just unblocks you so that, you know, it only took an hour and not like 10 hours or whatever. While it's fresh in your brain, go play with it. We can start building on top of this.
Yeah, and just one question. If I want to set him up, like put the transcript of the video, where do I go? You know, to say where do I go to say
instructions? You are a helpful assistant. You can reprogram it to do whatever you want from there. And then if you want to do advanced things like have it say, hey, you got an A and show like a component and things like that, you're going to have to learn what we call function calling, which they have an example there for you. It says whether. As far as changing the assistant, so be a teacher, that's where you'll do it. And then you'll just rerun the program.
To learn how to create another agent. I have to create a 12 agents. So I have just to duplicate maybe my work. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Very good. But if you know how to do it, I would like to work with you to set up this page when they have to enter their OpenAI. Grateful to have met you and to work with you. So it's really a pleasure and an honor, a doctor back to work with you. So thank you for your time and your help. We are 8,000 kilometers apart, and we're working together. So I'm really grateful. It's a beautiful time to be alive. So thank you very much, and I wish you a happy new year and a lot of good things for you and your family.
You as well. Thank you so much.